OFM Sport.
Peter, this is of course a big one for you guys, and true to form and as expected, no real changes in your team this week apart from at lock with Garrick coming in. Is Malembe out with an injury that you prompted this move, and also to bring Pumzele back onto the bench after he hasn't really played much this season?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, Morgan, Malembe failed his HIA test. Okay, so he's out because of concussion. So it's a good opportunity for Dierra coming in, and then we felt Marco de Wit can cover lock for us, and to bring Pumzi in. He's experienced player. He's played in a Currie Cup final before, and he's been a big part of our team. He's part of our leadership group. He's worked incredibly hard with the non-players every week, helping us prepare for what's to come this week, and he deserves his place. Every time he got his opportunity in the season, he unfortunately got injured. So it's good to have him back, and I think we might need his experience off the bench.
And Peter, it's almost as much as you guys wanted this Currie Cup final to be in Kimberley, and I'll be honest, I would have also preferred it to be there. Ellis Park is really, South Africa's version of the Theatre of Dreams. And we've seen the history of Ellis Park over many years. And one of your players this week is going to make a unique South African rugby record with playing in a Varsity Cup final, SA Cup final, and a Currie Cup final in the same season in Tom Nell. So a big occasion for him, really just grabbing the opportunity that you presented with him and running it throughout the season.
Yes, Morgan, I told the players after the match, if you can't play a final at home, then Ellis Park is probably where you want to play a final. I think we expect a full house, but we expect a lot more people there than there were 2 weeks ago. It is a final, and the people will come out and support. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. It's a wonderful challenge. It's a wonderful opportunity, firstly to play in a final, but a final at Ellis Park, it should be really, really special. Yeah, Tom's done well. As you say, every competition he's played in this year, he's playing in a final. He's won one, he's lost one. So hopefully, it will be a good one for him. But he's had a wonderful year, and hopefully we can top it off with a win for him personally. He obviously played off the bench every week and hasn't got a lot of game time, but we haven't had any issues putting him on, and he's done well every single time he's got onto the field. He's done really well, especially in defence. And again, I think we will need his qualities at the end of the match.
Okay, well, Peter just mentioned defence now, and that was leading into my question to you. Defence is really going to be key this week, and that's what got you guys over the line on Saturday against the Cheetahs. Denying them through your defence, denying them scoring opportunities which they were creating but just weren't able to capitalise on. And I'm sure this is going to be a big focus area against the Lions, who will come out all guns blazing.
Good day, everyone. Yes, Morgan, defense wins you trophies. So, the Lions, they feed a lot of momentum. So we really need to step up in terms of physicality and get our defense going.
And that scrum battle, I'm sure that's one that you relish. The Lions have always been renowned for having arguably one of the best scrums in South African rugby over many, many years. And it's going to be a good test for the Type 5 this week.
Yeah, definitely. As if we've prided ourselves in our scrums this season, and we keep growing every week, so it's going to definitely be a battle there in Ellis Park, and we're looking forward to it.